Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a TikTok video, which is something that very simple you can do. We're going to do it together. We're going to do it from the point that I'm recording right now to the point that we're going to edit and upload it to TikTok. By the way, you can do the same thing with YouTube Shorts, so the same concept. So again, it will work just like this. Definitely understand that there are some requirements out there. Some of the videos got to be a specific length and things like that. So definitely understand that. So one thing that I like is using a little tripod. I got the Ulanzi MT16 and I'm just holding it right here, and again, it gives me a little bit more flexibility. So let me show you this back here. We just went through the storm here in Florida and there's a lot of water, nothing crazy up here, but again, just for the purpose of making a video and showing you this and just showing you this back here. So once you record whatever you're looking to record, obviously you're gonna have to go into the computer and edit. I use Final Cut Pro. It should be almost the same on iMovie. So let's go inside and edit this footage. So very simple. Let me just show you a setup that I was using to record that video. Like I said, a little Ulanzi, little tripod. It opens up, obviously opens like a mini tripod, and a cell phone holder. So I could hold it like this. It does help a little bit with stabilizing the setup and all that. I'm gonna tell you, these phones are great to record, but again, you know, every now and then, if you want to get a little bit more length, or if you want to hold it and keep it a little bit more stable, this may be a good idea for some people. So let me take this off and let's go ahead and transfer some of the footage that I got here into my computer. I love the fact that you could do this via AirDrop. It makes it so simple. Okay, so here we are in Final Cut Pro, and the first thing we're gonna do is start a new video. So I'm gonna click Command N, and then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and put test, and essentially what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click custom. Once I go to custom, obviously shorts and TikTok videos are a different regular solution. So I'm gonna go here and switch this. I'm gonna go to 1080 by 1920, and then I'm gonna go to 30 frames per second. That's usually what I record on that right there. So again, that's gonna give me that small or like, you know, vertical angle frame that we usually utilize, and you can see it right here. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and click import. I'm gonna go here up here to the little arrow. I'm gonna find my footage. Here I got it, and I'm gonna import all that. And then obviously, I'm gonna edit this just as a regular video. I'm gonna highlight all that. I'm gonna put it in here. A lot of times what I do is that I come here to the right on Final Cut Pro and I click voice isolation. I feel like it improves the voice a little bit more. I go all the way down here, noise removal, and I remove the noise 100%. There was a guy cleaning his driveway, so that's probably gonna help out a lot with that, right? I usually put a transition in the front, so I'm gonna grab a transition right behind my head right here. You see the transition? And I'm going to put it right here, and I usually click Command plus to kind of open that up a little bit, the timeline, and now I could grab the transition, kind of make it smaller. I'm going to have it like that. I'm going to copy Command C because obviously I'm going to use this transition over and over. And then from here, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a TikTok. All right, so we're going to start right here. We're going to cut it, Command V, as in Bravo. We're going to erase that, and here we go. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a TikTok video, which is something that very simple you can do. We're going to do just a very simple thing, right? If I want to shrink the timeline, all I'm going to do is click Command minus, and I'm going to erase all this because I'm not going to show you all this, and maybe show you a little bit of that just to give you an idea. And again, click there, put a transition, yes, create a transition, and we're going to highlight there and erase right here, and here we go. You can do. We just went through a storm here in Florida and there's a lot of water, nothing crazy up here, but again, just for the purpose. All right, let's say for example I want to end it up in there. I'm gonna erase everything else. It's erased, and then usually I get a transition right behind my head right here. There is transition, and I kind of put it right there, and I kind of do this right here, right, just for the purpose. So like that, it kind of finished a little bit better. So very simple. I could create a short, a TikTok video, and you can see it right here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a TikTok video, which is something that very simple you can do. We just went through a storm here in Florida and there's a lot of water, nothing crazy up here, but again, just for the purpose. You get the point. Very, very simple. Then I'm going to go ahead and export that. I'm going to go all the way to the top. I'm going to go here to this little icon right there. I'm going to click there. I'm going to click on export, and then obviously this is going to be really, really short. It's going to be test. Put it in this folder right here. I'm going to click save. And here's the video. I just finished it. Let me click play right here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a TikTok video, which is something that very simple you can do. We just went through a storm here in Florida and there's a lot of water, nothing crazy up here, but again, just for the purpose. And obviously from there, you could go into TikTok and you could upload this. By the way, you can do it through the desktop. You don't have to do it through the app on your cell phone. You can actually do it through the desktop as well. I do got videos on that, and you could go into YouTube and upload it to YouTube. Just be advised that there is a requirement on length. For example, YouTube cannot be more than 60 seconds. So if you have 62 seconds, you know that's not going to be a short, right? So again, make sure that you keep it in that requirement. But very simple. You could do TikTok videos, you could do short videos just like this. I'll see you in the next one.